Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. I want to show you something very basic, replacing a PCV valve. It's going to be easy peasy. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So it's time to replace the PCV valve in our 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. This is what it looks like. It's located, if you follow this hose, down along here, right down to your engine. There it is. It's very easy to get to. I'll grab a couple tools and I'll show you how to replace it. So one of the hardest things about this job is just getting your hands in there. Aside from that, it's easy peasy. We're going to take our flashlight, slide it aside a little bit, reach my hand along the back side of these hoses. I'm going to squeeze this little clamp right here and just give the hose a little tug. Slides right off. We have a clear view of our PCV valve. I'm just going to use a little bit of penetrant on this. It's been on there for quite a while, so I want to let the penetrant do its job. Give it a couple seconds. All right. I'm going to use my 19mm socket, a short extension, and my long-handled 3/8 ratchet. Bring it in here. See if I can get it on there. There we are. Okay, I'm going to give this a little loving bonk. Here we are. Getting these to break free is something else sometimes. If yours is stuck, just go with the penetrant and let it sit a little longer, okay? You can do it. There it is. There's our new one. Looks about the same, an exception of it's not filthy and completely jammed up. We're going to replace it with this one right here. To do that, it's very simple. Bring it in, start it in the hole. Once you can't go any further by hand, just go ahead and grab it with your socket. When you tighten this up, you don't need to tighten it so the base is all the way up against the engine, generally speaking. Let's see. Okay, feels like it's getting stiff. Okay, bottomed out. Just give it the teentiest bit more. There we are. So with this tight, imagine this is inside the engine at this point. The engine's probably about to where my thumb is right there, okay? So I brought it in. I didn't bottom it out right up against this nut part of it. That would be in too far. It pretty much stopped. I gave it a teeny bit more just to make sure it was snug, and that's it. We've got our hose. Just take a look at it. Looks decent. A lot of times you can just slide it right over without even squeezing the clamp. So we got that on there. You can give it a nice little tug. Doesn't come off. Doesn't come off on the other end. Easy peasy. So if you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.